Step into the bustling halls of KBIS 2024, where excitement fills the air with the promise of innovation. As we make our way through the crowd, our focus is drawn to the Buildertrend booth, a hub of activity and progress. Here, we discover the latest updates and enhancements that are set to revolutionize the home renovation experience for our DreamHomers. At the Buildertrend booth, we're greeted by a wave of cutting-edge technology designed to streamline project management and enhance communication. From intuitive scheduling features to real-time updates, Buildertrend empowers us to stay organized and informed every step of the way. With Buildertrend by our side, we're equipped with the tools and resources needed to bring our DreamHomers' visions to life. From concept to completion, Buildertrend ensures that every detail is accounted for, delivering unparalleled efficiency and excellence in home improvement. Join us as we explore the transformative capabilities of Buildertrend at KBIS 2024 and witness firsthand how this innovative platform is shaping the future of home renovation.